I'm so excited to share my no-sew gathered console skirt tutorial with you. For measurements, please refer to the video summary details. So our first step is cutting the fabric for the top, back, and two front pieces that wrap around the sides. Once that's finished, we're going to get our back and front pieces done. For the back and front panels, fold in and iron a 1-inch seam on all four sides. Fold that 1 inch in half to create a 1/2 inch seam. Then you can slip in a 1/2 inch or 5/8 inch iron-on tape and iron that down to create your seams. Do this for all four sides for the back panel and the two front panels. Now for the top piece, we're doing things a little differently, and we're ironing a 1/2 inch of fabric and then securing this seam with iron-on tape. Then you're going to repeat this on all four sides, and then once we're done doing that, we're going to fold all those seams in a 1/2 inch, iron them in. We're not securing it with any iron-on tape because this 1/2 inch will hang down over the top sides of the Kallax, and it'll eventually look like a little teeny tiny tray. So now we're folding in the corners of the top piece of fabric on the Kallax to create that little tray I was talking about. You're going to need your glue gun here. Fine point is what I use. And you want to fold in the corners kind of like you're wrapping a present. The corners will get hidden under the gathered front panels of fabric, so you don't need to worry about them being perfect. You're going to repeat this process for all four corners until you have your tray. Now we're moving on to the fun part, the gathering. Grab your two front panels of fabric that we seamed in the beginning, some 1/4 inch elastic banding, and two safety pins. Secure the safety pins to each end of the elastic banding, making sure just to leave a little overhang here so the pins don't tear through the elastic. Then you're going to start threading one safety pin through the channel seam in the fabric we created earlier. The important part here is to do this on the top seam of the fabric panel, not the bottom. Otherwise your fabric's going to be upside down. After threading both front panels of fabric with the elastic, we're going to attach them to the top panel. I'm marking the center point of the fabric here, and our front panels will overlap at this point, about the width of the seam, so that the ends of the panels don't gap when on your table. The orange clip is holding the fabric just to the left of the center point I marked. Gather your fabric and pull your elastic until it matches the length of half of the front and all the way around one side. Secure the back seam of the fabric just past the end to make sure it will wrap around the back panel. Now we're going to take our handy glue gun and start securing the gathered front panels to the top panel. It's important to do this on top of your furniture to ensure a straight line when securing the gathered fabric. Do this in small sections and check your work often. Make sure you have that 1/2 inch overhang on the top panel of fabric to make sure you're doing it in the right spot. Make sure you have the end seam of that gathered panel hanging just past the side. Now it's time to repeat the process for the other side. Again, I'm clipping the right seam here just past the marked center point to ensure it overlaps with the other front panel. You can see that it's going to be a triple layer of panels here at this spot. Super thick, but we want to make sure there are no gaps when we hang our skirt. We are in the home stretch and it's time to add our back panel of fabric. Let's flip our fabric over and align the top seam of the top panel with the top seam of the back panel. Use your glue gun to adhere the two together. I do it with the back panel seam on top. Let's cut off our excess elastic banding now, and it's time to adhere the side panels to the back. Wrap those little overhangs on the side panels we created earlier so they wrap around the back panel. Secure the tops, bottoms, and all along the seams with your glue gun. And that is it. We finished our no-sew gathered console skirt, and it's just the cutest in this mini form and so beautiful on my IKEA Kallax. It's time to grab that rug pad and let's put the skirt on.